welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a voice note as a WhatsApp status. Yes, it is possible. You can use a voice note as a WhatsApp status. So WhatsApp has been making a lot of updates this year, and one of those updates is that now you can be able to use a voice note as a WhatsApp status. All you need to do is open your WhatsApp, go to status, like you want to add a new status, click on the pen icon. You will see a microphone icon there, so you need to tap on the microphone icon down there and hold it until you finish recording your voice note. After that, you just tap on the send icon to post it. It's that simple. That is it. We are done. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our post for more videos. Thank you.